Hi, my name is Ginna, and I have been a Skin Diva Labs diva for 2 months now. As the CEO of the business, a mom of 2, I'm married, I have an active lifestyle, I'm constantly on the go. I also needed something that was very simple, but worth the investment and my time. I have upgraded to the entire 5-set big bottles because I am absolutely addicted. So I started with the 5-piece kit, which is a 14-day challenge, but honestly that kit lasted me about 21 days. And within the first, I would say about 10 to 12 days, I already noticed that my lines on my forehead were smoothing out, and these lines here around my mouth, now they are so much more smoothed out. My skin tone is evened out, and my face is always glowing, it's dewy, it feels refreshed, it's radiant. And at 46, I'm getting compliments now more than ever. People are saying to me, no way that you're 46, I thought you were in your 30s. The best part is knowing that I'm putting safe ingredients on my skin that actually penetrate my skin. I'm not wasting my money because on top of that, she uses airless pumps. So you know that you are getting every single drop, and it's helping so there's no bacteria getting into these bottles. So like I said, I've had to upgrade to the big bottles because I'm just addicted. So if you're looking for a clean, results-driven skincare line, I highly recommend Skin Diva Labs. Check it out.